What's going on, guys? I'm gonna start off this new video. Just had the homie pull up on me. Just got this package from the homie. Yes, sir. About to do a little unboxing right now. Do a little install. Alright, let's get it going. See if I can do it with one hand. Alright, there we go. Sheesh. Shut up, bro. Alright, let me open it up. I guess we can do it together. It's the first piece. Damn. It's pretty nice. Oh. There we go. This is the whole kit. Bunch of wiring. It's not too bad though. Let's put it together. Oh, let's get it going. First, we gotta take this off, and then some shit right here is coming off. Yeah. Let's see. It's so loose already. Yeah, there's some wires. Oh, this one's a bitch. This one's always a bitch. Oh, there you go. Alright. First piece off. Now let's see what's next. That slid right off. I just disconnect these connections. There you go. Sir. Y'all gotta be super careful with this. This shit is hella sus. God damn. Came out clean though. I think this just pulls out. Shit, we almost there. Alright, we got the center trim off. Could not get this off, so fuck that. You don't need to take that off if you just take the little trim that connects to it. That's how I put the silver trim on anyway. Now we're taking off the head unit. And then we're gonna connect some shit to it. And then we had to take this off so we could connect the iDrive knob to the new shit. But yeah, it'll all make sense in a bit. There we go, it's coming out. Shit is chunky. God damn.
I'm gonna get a microfiber.
Yeah. God damn, this shit looks insane in here. Just disconnected everything. Whole thing's coming out. This shit's fucking chunky. God damn. Shit, now let's see what else we gotta do. Alright, let's see. So this is the main harness. It connects into the box that controls the CarPlay. You connect that there. Now there's a little connector right here that connects to this harness. And you'll know which one you gotta use because it comes with two. If you look at this connector, depending on the pin on this connector,
If it's
controls the, if it's 4 or 10. Mine's 4 because I got the LCI iDrive.
And it says it right here.
Yeah.
4P.
Yep, there you go. Connect it. Make sure you hear that click when you connect them. Alright, where does that connect?
This female end goes into the iDrive controller.
Sir. And I'm guessing this connects to the iDrive itself.
Yeah. So let's get the iDrive here.
Already putting it on? Damn. Just got it right sitting right here.
Pretty sure it's right on.
There's another connection in the front we gotta connect.
We're not gonna put it on right now. Damn, you should have emptied this.
That just goes right here. Sir. Yeah, we can just have it sitting on top so then we can make sure everything works. This is the only other connector.
Alright.
What was it?
LVDS in, the one with the ping on it. And then this one's the LVDS out.
Where does that go?
So first, the white connector goes onto the module box. Gotta figure out how to plug it in.
Yeah.
And then this goes into the pink cable.
Oh, damn, that's fire to match it up that easy.
And then the other side goes into here.
The pink one?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
We'll fix up the wiring, but yeah.
This is the antenna, and this is the mic. About to show you where it connects to. Oh, bad. And you gotta mount this in the car somewhere. And this mic probably has to go up here or something, right?
We'll put it on the dashboard.
Yeah, I'll probably put it over here. Sheesh, just turn the car on. This is how it is. That dog shit. Alright, hit it. Hold menu. Sheesh. That's crazy. Now go to CarPlay. Damn, need to connect the phone now. But yeah, this shit's installed. Now we just gotta figure out how to put all this wiring back. Figure out where the fuck this goes. And then gotta put the mic somewhere. So now we're gonna connect. I gotta get one of these old school fucking USBs now.
Here we go.
Where's the connection now? Fuck, we lost it already. Oh, there we go. Connect that in. Connect your phone. course it doesn't work. Maybe this cord's shit. I don't know. Hold up. Gotta reconnect it. There we go. Sheesh. Damn. Damn. Crazy. Try to play some music. Oh, I can't turn it up right now. Oh, no, it's right here. Huh? Where's the volume at, dog? Damn, we figured it out. We had to put the aux cord.
Who was it back in the day? He recognized me, but I don't know his face. He told me I don't know what to say.
Yes, sir, bro. We got this shit working nice. That shit look crazy. Good car playing. We've noticed that if you have the volume too high, it starts getting choppy. But if you don't bump it all the way, it's good. Wow, this shit is clean. Damn, I'm fried. I've been showing my Addy this whole time. God damn, that shit was a bitch. Alright, the next step to mount this in here to like, because this has to be hidden somewhere. So there's 4 bolts on here. They look like this. One here. Same on the other side, one on the bottom. And this just pulls out. And now we're gonna try to stuff this in on the side somewhere.
I have to pull this as I'm doing it.
Oh yeah? Shove that shit back there. Is that good?
We need what wires are pulling out here?
Make sure we got the mic wire.
Yeah, you got everything.
And
the USB.
Mic and USB, I think that's it, right?
You have the mic one?
Yeah.
I'll
mount that later.
Okay.
So yeah, that shit's just hidden in there back there.
I just need to push it a bit more.
Yeah. And then everything just goes back in. Alright guys, we just got the cage back on. The bolts on, and we got this on. This is a bitch to get on, so he would show you, but nah, we ain't taking that off again.
Yeah.
These fucking wires make it hella gnar, but it's possible. Just gotta mess with it. Yup. Yes, sir. Got everything routed right here. Zip tied this wire. And we put the USB going over here, and the homie routed the mic wire under here through the vent. Now we're just gonna put it right here. It's probably the best spot. Can't even see it at all. But yup, we about to be done. A few more minutes. Sheesh. Let me get it clean. Where is it? Damn, got the USB coming in through here. Just right here.
You can also fix it up.
And we got the speaker wire all tucked. We just tested it out, works good. And then there's an aux wire that goes from the box down here. And the homie put it through this little hole that is for this, but there's still room for it. I tried closing it too. Connects right here, we all good? Yes, sir. About to put everything back together now. Yes, sir. And just when we thought we were all done, try to put this piece on at the end. And I'll show you guys. All these wires have to be, take this off. These two wires need to be routed under this vent thing right here. They come through on the bottom.
It's the aux wire and
It's the aux wire, and then this is the main harness wire that connects to the iDrive, yeah. And if you don't put it under here, then this won't be able to mount. And we just went through hella bullshit through that. But now we're good now. Now we're just cleaning everything up. We got little mounts for some zip ties there. Put another one over here. And another one for this right here. And yeah. And we ended up putting the mic right here. Can't even see the wire. Looks clean. Works good too. Yep, now we just put everything back together. Yes, sir. Let's go. We're all done now. Everything mounted, all clean. All we got in here is the aux. A little connection right here. It's still closed. It's completely fine. See, it's still locked. Got the USB here. Routed on the side. Can't even tell. No wires of anywhere. And this is all you do. Hold down the menu button. Switched over. Now you can either go to music, CarPlay, mirroring, Android Auto, everything. I haven't even messed with it yet. Pretty sure that we can put Android Auto and then do connect MHD tablet to it. You dig? So yep, I'll link you guys the website I got it on with a discount code. And if you guys are in SoCal, we can even install it for you. Fuck it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. True hype.